Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll walk you through creating a unique hand-lettered logo right in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. After creating your canvas, go to the Text tool and add a text box to begin designing your custom graphic. To search for handwritten text in your design, use the search bar and enter your desired text. For example, type text here to locate handwritten text elements easily. To add titles, click on the Titles menu and choose your preferred title style. Drag the title onto your timeline where you want it to appear. Double-click the title clip to edit the text. Next, to add effects, click on the Effects panel. Browse through the available effects and drag your chosen effect onto either a title or video clip in the timeline. You can customize effect settings in the Inspector panel for your desired look. Click the Effects tab and search for Curve. Select the curve effect and adjust its settings as needed. Next, navigate to the Elements section. Here, you can browse and add any design elements you want. To change the audio, locate the volume control at the top and move the slider to adjust the volume to your preference. If you need to fine-tune any other feature, use the options available in the sidebar. Once your elements and audio are set, you can add a background color. Click on the background option, select your desired color from the palette, and apply it to your project. Review all adjustments to ensure everything looks and sounds the way you want. This process lets you customize your project with effects, elements. Click this button located here to begin. Hover your cursor over it, then select it to activate the feature. This button provides access to key options you'll need next. To add another text element, go to the Text option again. Click Add Text, then select your preferred font from the available options to customize your text. Select this option, then click inside the text box. Type any text you want to add or display. You can enter anything that fits your project. When you're finished typing, click outside the box or press Enter to save your changes. Type white apple as your text example. Next, select the eraser tool from the toolbar. Click and drag over the text you want to remove. This erases the white apple text from your workspace, allowing you to start fresh or make corrections as needed. Go to the Elements panel on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Apple and press Enter. Browse through the results and look for an apple icon with an outline style. Once you find it, click on the outlined apple to add it to your canvas. You can click and drag to reposition the apple anywhere you like. Use the corner handles to resize the icon as needed. Adjust the color or other settings in the options bar if desired. Select this option to proceed. Observe the distance or duration displayed to see how long it will take to reach your destination. Keeping track of this information helps you plan your next steps efficiently. If you want to remove or exit the selection, simply close it by clicking the Close or X button associated with the option. This action will return you to the previous menu or main view, allowing you to choose a different item if needed. Use this process anytime you want to select, review details, and close your chosen option before moving on. To begin, enter the required type in the designated field. Make sure you input the type correctly as specified by your documentation or guidelines. Next, locate the folder you want to display. Navigate to the folder section in your application or file explorer. Click to open the folder so its contents are visible on your screen. This allows you to confirm that you are working within the correct directory. Double-check the files or subfolders listed to ensure everything is in order. If necessary, adjust your view settings to show hidden items or switch between list and icon views for better visibility. With the type entered and folder displayed, the setup is complete and you're ready to proceed to the next step. Once you're satisfied with your design, locate the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Click the Share button to open the Options menu. In the drop-down, look for the Download option and select it. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to configure your download settings. If your project has multiple pages, make sure to select both pages for download. You'll see page selection options in the pop-up window. Check both boxes to include all pages in your export. Double-check your chosen file type, such as PNG or PDF, to ensure it meets your needs. After confirming your settings and selected pages, click the Download button. The system will process your design and prepare your file for download. Hope you enjoyed creating hand-loaded logos in Canva. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more design tips.